Purify my heart, and I will be a temple, the dwelling place where you are.
Hi guys, what's up? If you're new here, hey girl, hey, this is Boss Vision. I'm super excited about this video today. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves because your girl is a candle maker. I am constantly doing stuff, so I don't have time to really go to stores and shop. So I found this amazing online resource where you can gain access to grown women beautiful ensembles at a cost-effective price. So I'm super excited to share with you guys a full review today. You'll be seeing my honest opinion. I am 5 foot, about 170, 160 pounds. So your girl is stacked up. Okay guys, I just got a haul from Stylewe.com and I have to say I am obsessed. So I tried everything on before filming this voiceover and I have to tell you all my honest opinion. The quality, everything about this is quality. The textures are amazing. They partner with independent designers, so everything feels super unique, like pieces you don't see everywhere else, and they feel like high-end luxury. The prices are actually very affordable, and they literally have new drops every single day. The best part, though, is that you can use my code BOSS20 for an additional 20% off your order. Like, it is giving everything to me. Obviously, the wind is about to blow you guys away, but come on, like, amazing today. August is the best month in Austin. August is Austin. Praises the water. I wear this to church. I wear this anywhere. I love this. Oh yeah, I love this. Should I just go to the grocery store like this today? Like, should I just go? Oh, I'm here. We're going to have. This is so cute. And I was like, I need to get it altered. Immediately when I pulled it out, I need it altered. It fits perfectly. Like, you can see it goes all the way to my toes. It goes all the way to my toes. Like, this to me is something I would wear if I were hosting a candle making event in Austin. Because that's definitely something I want to do in the future. Host events. This would be something to wear. This is so cute. It's so forgiving. It's very flattering. Like, this is so grown woman, you know? So it comes with this, and I'm sure you guys can imagine like this type of pattern. You may see this at Fashion Nova, you may see this at Shein, but Stylewe, this is like a very high quality texture. Like, I'll zoom in on the texture of the fabric. It's so high quality. So online I thought, oh, I'm getting fast fashion. This is not fast fashion, y'all. Oh my god, wow, it looks so cute. It looks like something you would see in the mall. I would never wear white like this either. I love it. It gives like grown, like adults. Who are you? Who are we? We are grown. First of all, this is the demographic they want to appeal to. When they reached out, they said they wanted to be more mature, and it is. It is. It is. So I have a tag right here. Should probably pull that tag out. Oh, my file tag in. I don't want it to look like a diaper, but you know, look. Like, if you had a stomach, I don't have any like stomach or anything, but if you had a stomach, this is very flattering for that. And it's so cute and soft, and like, I was watching this YouTuber, she always talks about being modest. It is modest. It's everything. Like, I love it. And it's so long. Like, it's to my feet. You guys can't really see from the lamp, but like, it's so flattering too. Like, what? So cute. So cute. I don't even know where I would go in this. So you go on like a nice day date during the day date with this. So cute. Okay, whatever. I like it. 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 My camera must notice that it's like nature, so it keeps trying to turn around. But yeah, I love this osmo. This is so cute. But yeah, this is it. So it comes like this long. I kind of got a little makeup on it, but I just tucked my bra in, and it's not noticeable. It seems like everything is like high quality. I'm not used to this. Like, I just buy stuff from, you know, like, I don't really buy from like really nice places. So this is like the first time I've had like nice high quality stuff. Definitely recommend. Like, you can see the texture. The texture is not like fast fashion. This is long-term fashion. You can feel it. It's not like cotton material. It's like a nylon thicker material. Like, look at God. Like, I've never had nothing like this. This is so cute. I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'll link this one down below as well. I don't even remember ordering this, but again, the quality, it's a very thick white t-shirt. So I just tied it. I don't know how I'm probably just like wear it tied with this and go to like the beach or something. So cute. Like, what the heck? Who am I? I feel bougie in this. I used to think like, oh my gosh, clothing is just not flattering. But it's literally just the type. You have to buy more expensive clothes because you'll find yourself buying more because you buy cheap clothes. If you buy high quality clothes, you wear more often. This is so thick. Yeah, it's recommend. Stylewe. What? So I think this shirt, this blouse is around like $50 versus if you were to buy it from Shein for $7.99 and you only wear it once, you can wear this like a million times. So I love it. I love it. It's like I was gonna go outside, but the lighting's eating. So I knew it when I saw it online. We would love each other, and we do. I knew it when I saw it online that I would love this one, and I do. So right now, I don't know how to do this thing. I'm gonna tighten it. And by the way, I'm gonna go get all of these things altered just for my body type, because I'm short. But it looks good without alterations. The pocket, it's so thick, and it's such high quality. Like, you don't want to alter fast fashion, like whatever. But if you have like high quality fashion, you want to go get it tailored to your body because you know you're gonna wear it more than like one time, and you're gonna wear it to very nice events. Like, this is something I would wear to like a networking event, an entrepreneur networking event. It's so cute. Like, but I really want to make sure you can see like the situation, how it looks online on the model. Sometimes the models actually have stuff pinned on them. Like, that's what you have to be considerate of when you do purchase from pictures. And you say, oh, the picture looks great. The model probably had some pins in the back there to make it accentuate her. And plus, with AI, how things are going, so cute. Also, I'm shorter, so I would get this probably cut up a little bit, but I love it. Okay, so I definitely have to get this one tailored. It cannot fit properly. Like, it's like loose right here and tight right here, so I need to fix that. But it's stretchy. It's so cute though. The back, that's why I grabbed this belt. It sounds like how I want to make it work. Without the belt, guys, no. Like, no. But it's so cute. Oh, I've never had anything like this. I didn't know how it would fit. I didn't know what to expect. Some of the only put it on. Also, I think it's fine. Maybe I just didn't pull it down properly. But yeah, it has a zipper. I didn't even use a zipper. I just put it over my head and it fit, which is crazy. It's just perfect. It's a medium. Perfect size for me. I just want to get it tailored up because I don't like that extra space. I want it to be like cinched in, like cute. But then again, what if they did like sometimes when we go out as women, we like the little extra room here because you get loaded. Make some more split skirt. Make some more split skirt. Oh my god, I love it. I was wondering, I was like, where's the shirt to match? It was supposed to be this. So I love it. It has a pocket, has pockets. Probably Swisson. Y'all, it is sit at waist. So cute. What? How much is it? Oh, good pay collect. It's like, you see what I'm saying? It's like, yeah. This is me like going to like a golf course. You got it. He'll pay. You have to bill. Yeah. Bill has to bill. Business bill. That's money. Okay, I forgot to do an outro, so I just want to say that's the end of this video. Comment what you think of Stylewe. I am obsessed. I really did not know it was going to be this nice. Like, I thought it was just going to be, you know, some quick fashion, because sometimes online we can see that with brands, but very pleasantly surprised, and you will be too. The textures are unmatched, and they gave me such a huge code, Boss Vision 20, so you get 20% off every order. That's amazing, especially with it being so much quality. Like, the texture, it doesn't feel like I'm going to wash it and then it'll go, oh, it feels like it'll be some time. Long-term clothing. So definitely check them out. The link will be in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
My heart, and I will be a temple, the dwelling place where you